Let's try another surface area / measurement type question. So we're given the surface area of one side of a cube. It's 4 centimeters. So we have a nice cube here. It's not exactly perfect, but the area of one side, and there are 6 sides to a cube, is 4 centimeters cubed. So we'll say this here, the area is going to be 4 centimeters squared. So this happens to be a perfect cube. This would be 2 times 2 is 4. So we know that the side lengths are 2 centimeters. Now the question is, what's the longest possible distance? We'll call this A, we'll call this B, and we know that this corner to this corner, or this corner to this corner, etc., is going to be the longest distance. Here to here would be straight, it'd be 2, but here to here would be a bit longer, but even longer would be going from here to here. So let's think about this. What we have here, and you need to practice drawing in 3D, is the Pythagorean theorem used twice. Because if you use the Pythagorean theorem here for this triangle, this here is a right triangle, and this happens to be 2, this happens to be 2, we can solve for the c value, and then we can use the Pythagorean theorem again to solve for the x value here, which is what we're trying to solve. So let's solve c first of all. We'll say, looking at this triangle here, c squared equals 2 squared plus 2 squared. C squared equals 4 plus 4. So c squared equals 8. C equals root 8. This value is root 8 centimeters. Root 8. So now we can use Pythagorean theorem again to solve for x using this triangle here. So we'll say that x squared equals 2 squared plus the other side squared, and the other side happens to be root 8. We know that the square and the square roots, they cancel each other out. So we say x squared equals 2 squared, which is 4, plus 8. The square root and the squares, they cancel out, so we expose the number 8. X squared equals 12, so x equals root 12. So that's the longest possible distance between two corners, which is approximately 3.46, and we're talking about centimeters. Great job.